Hi guys, this is Kierin, your DeFi guide. I'm super excited about today's news. Well, we're basically one step closer to the Ethereum 2.0 rocket starting up. The main engines have started and we're nearly ready for liftoff. So basically what we've got here is the Ethereum 2.0 deposit contract, or a part of it. This software, this tool will actually allow validators to generate their public and private keys in order to become a validator and stake on the Ethereum 2.0 blockchain. And this is a part of it, and hopefully what we'll see in the near future is the launch pad being accessible. And this is ready for the mainnet. So we're basically ready for liftoff, and this is super exciting. Yeah, the Ethereum 2.0 phase 0 is very close. What is also very exciting is that the Ethereum 2.0 Medalla testnet has finally finalized. That means the inactive validators were kicked off of the network, which is fantastic. It shows that the penalization and the kicking of inactive validators has worked perfectly on the Ethereum 2.0 testnet. So this is fantastic. In the case that this should happen on the real Ethereum 2.0 blockchain, then we know that it can manage inactive validators and it will be able to kick them off in a relatively short time span. I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.